So just a quick review, guys. As you saw, I applied a variety of vibrant colors, blended some of them in, and then created like this floral pattern with the palette knife. You can use a spatula for this technique, as well as a catalyst wedge, a scraper, or any other fun tool that you enjoy using that can scrape like a card. Any of that will do the trick. But I was using the palette knife, and it's always good practice to play around with the new designs, using tools you enjoy. And I really love the patterns and the flow and the movement with the palette knife as it kind of scrapes in a different way than the other tools do. And as you can see with the white and all the other colors, you get this beautiful effect, and it's just stunning. I'm really inspired by spring, as most of us are. The colors and the smells and the flowing flowers and the bloom. And I really wanted to create something now that we're in spring. I'm really happy how this turned out. It's very soft and subtle, yet there's a depth and lots of movement and interest in it. And it looks great horizontal or vertical. So let me know what you guys think of this piece. You can certainly embellish it, but I really wanted it minimal and simple. So thank you so much for being here, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next painting.